carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love, fly in glory, moments of freedom in shades of joy. May the sun in his course visit no land more free, more happy, more lovely than this, our country. Today, on 15th August 2021, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day, and I am proud to say that we earned our freedom 75 years back. At the midnight hour of August 14, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to address the nation, said, "When the world sleeps, India will wake to life and freedom, and now India is the largest democracy of the world." Independence Day holds a lot of significance in the lives of Indians, as on this day we got freedom after a long struggle of thousands of freedom fighters. They all sacrificed their lives to get freedom from the British, who ruled the country for more than 200 years. This day is very important to keep the spirit of patriotism alive and at the same time enjoy the spirit of freedom. It also motivates us to bond with each other, irrespective of the religion, caste, community, creed, or culture we belong to. Winning independence was just the beginning of our greatest challenge, and that was to make us prosperous. As a citizen of India, we are proud of its golden past. We have one of the oldest and the richest civilization of the world. We may not be a wealthy power in the world, yet we are recognized as good human beings and in a great country. Everything in the world changes, but not the principles and human values. India is going to be a great country that follows these principles. Let us thank our great leaders who fought for the freedom assertively. Let us not fret about the things that we don't have. Let us try to make a country a better and safe place by following the values and principles taught by our great leaders. Let us spread awareness, knowledge, values, and gain wisdom. Our nation has gone through many difficult times, including wars, and have emerged victorious. Today, we are collectively facing a COVID-19 pandemic threat that has created global health crisis and has a deep impact on our lives. This is a difficult time when we must join our hands in a common endeavor with a strong belief that better days are ahead of us. If each one of us, irrespective of where we belong to, thrive with a new resolve, a new energy, a new strength, we can change the face of the country with our combined strength in 76th year of our independence in the year 2022. It will be a new India, a secure, prosperous and a strong nation. Saluting India, where each bud blooms in its true color, where each day is a celebration of unity and harmony. Happy Independence Day.